Still going on, and miles to go before we see. I thank you all for your attention, and I shall now request the President of the New Chinatown Foundation, Mr. Jean-Paul Lam, to say a few words to all of you. Thank you.
His Excellency Mr. Pierre Bouy, President of the Trust,